So you will translate to Mama. Mama. How can I say?
You are receiving a prize.
I see like this. Mama, we have a viewers from other country that want to give you a gift from you. She wants to give you a money, 4,000 Kenyan shilling.
Cash.
Yeah.
Thank you. Because you are the cash. If you want to make
4,000, Mama. Mama, say here. What can you say?
Ayo komoi. Echine ni chiao. Teba asante Ivona. Asante. He's saying thank you. He's so much blessed now. He said to the one who gave her, thank you very much.
Yeah. Yeah, that
He's
is
happy. You
mom's
see he's
secret.
smiling.
Yeah, that is mom's secret. And dyan kasi si mama mag-ano guys, mahilig mag-upo ng ganyan. Pero may plan naman na yung husband ko nabilhan ko daw si mama pang Christmas, yung parang banig ba. So now it's yours. It's your? It's your? Yeah. Si Ma'am Secret na ng 3,500. Ma'am Secret 3,500 for Muraro.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Thank you
And
very much.
Miss Eli, she wants to give to 500 to Muraro and 600 Kenyan shilling Ma'am Jane. So it's 1,100.
Yeah.
1,100. So you give me 100 later.
Yeah,
no
thank
change.
you very much.
You have a lot of money.
Yeah,
now.
thank you very much. I say
And
to them, thank you.
And mine also, I have a 4,500.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom
Mom
Secret.
Secret. Thank you so
I
much.
have also 4,000.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. And ito, Ma'am,
Yeah.
punta siguro kami doon kay Margaret at yung kay Preska and itong 1,500 kang Jeria. Yung si Jeria wala pa dito. Jeria will come around what date?
He was going to come on date 23.
23.
But I told him to come early.
Okay, she will come early, ma'am. And ito pong 1,000 ay for school supplies.
Thank you.
Kasi yung ma'am, around 500 ay yung service fee, transaction fee po. So may 15 Kenyan shilling, 1,015 Kenyan shilling i-add ko sa school supply. Thank you so much, ma'am. And thank you also to others.
Yeah. Thank you.
Is this side okay?
It is fine. It's good now.
Andito sila guys, hindi na kami pupunta doon or bababa. So ito yung mama ni Preska, yung kasama namin doon sa market. Yeah, so Preska is not here, so I give to Mama.
Preska.
So we have viewers from others country, yeah, that they want to extend their blessing to give blessing to us. Yeah. So, she's saying that I will give to Preska 1,500. Yeah. And Margaret 1,500. Margaret is a student, guys. Yeah. So what can you say to our sponsor? Tell to here. Here.
Thanks. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Secret.
Mom Secret.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mom Secret. So much.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mom. God bless. Yeah, Mom Secret. Okay, Moraro, what can you do with that money?
I'm going to do it to the school fees.
School fees. Oh, how much the school fees here?
Like me, they are going to pay 42,500.
Kenyan shilling.
Yeah.
Or around the 42 is 20 something pesos. Oh.
21.25 pesos.
So how is your plan that you want to buy clothes?
You know, so now they don't have school fees now. I'm going to add so that if they have even 2, if I add that one, you have 6. I can enter again as they struggle to look if I'm going to finish.
Okay, school uniforms is not there now.
No, I don't have. I don't know.
You will not know. There's someone want to give you school uniform.
I don't know.
Okay. Yeah. Andito kami sa labas, guys. We're here outside. It's 3 p.m. here. His mama and aunt. Chika nagmamaritis. Din yung isa dito. May ginagawa sa may ginagawa sa loob. Ay, nag-ano ako, guys. Nag-flu ako. Yung nose ko ay black. Pati yung tenga ko parang nabingi ako. Sakit yung ulo ko ngayon. Guys, punta kami doon sa malapit na bilhan ng milk kasi wala, naubusan ako ng milk. Ella, wear bag. Don't eat.
Tao ko si Birasahay.
Ay, iwan ko kung uulan ba. Ulan is coming. Babela! Babela! Yeah.
Mochero. Oh. Enjoy yan, enjoy.
Paano kami, guys, nagsisilong kami dito sa may maisan mulan na chemist nila dito or pharmacy, guys. Yung ulan ay ano na, hindi na nag-stop na. Ito yung Embakasi, maliit lang na bilihan dito. Sopen. Oh. Okay. Bili ako ng citrusin. I bought this one, guys, so mental. Ano siya? 60 Kenyan shilling o 30 pesos. Tapos ito ng mga citrusin nila. Ito allergy. 50 packet, 50 Kenyan shilling per packet to 25 pesos. Going home na kami, guys. Bumili din ako ng rice, 3 kg. And milk. Hi. We go home now. Yeah. Yung rice nila dito, guys, is rice is 140. 140. Yeah. 140, guys, yung rice. 140. Nasa 80. Uy, 80 pesos. Mahal yung rice. 60 pesos ba dyan sa atin? Eh, ba't ito na? Why they put like this? They don't want Buddha to pass.
I don't know.
Or it's falling down.
They bring it, I don't know which day.
Okay.
Today, because yesterday it was not there.
Okay.
You see another one is there.
Huh?
The other one is there. It means we are going to put electricity there.
Oh, this is for electricity.
The post.
Pang electricity daw itong post pala, guys. That is good. There is a post for electricity here. So people now using electricity.
When they are going to put now this one.
Para hindi na magamit ng solar. Ay, masakit talaga yung ulo ko, guys. Si Bella ay nakatingin sa akin. She makes sure that I will not run. Bella! Ba? Ba? Ah! Gilang! Ba? Ah! Gilang! Wah!
Yus kita ako kete magugakuan.
Oh, he's like a far. Dito kami sa labas, guys. Naghihintay kasi andun si Muraro sa sulod. Sa sulod. Ano yun sa Tagalog? Naglo-loading ako. Siguro nagluluto pa yung samosa. Nihintay niya. Kasi gusto niya kumain. Bella! Bella, don't eat. Bella. Wow. Huh?
Hot.
It's hot. That is good. They like samosa, so we go up now. Huh? What happened? Huh?
Vegetables,
There's vegetable there.
but no money.
Yeah.
You give him spinach.
For sure.
Yeah.
Ito na yung daan, guys, pag maputik.
Why are you looking behind?
I'm here, my dear. Yeah. Ay. Speak English so that I understand. Speak English. It's not good morning. It's evening now. Fine. Huh? Huh?
They comment in this one, that video at the various
This the one.
this is the one.
Oh, not the other one.
That's why it's inside.
Oh. Here inside mga batanon, guys. He's saying that huh?
Take the food.
House. You want me to take your house? You? Huh? He's the one saying, come dance maraba.
Throw that that's the one.
Yeah. In TikTok. Let's go. Ay, love ko yun. Hangga. Next time.
Next.
Yeah.
Okay.
We plan it. Not today. Okay, next time. Not today. We plan it. Pag ano na yung guys, yung AdSense ko baka ngayon na week makukuha na. Para mag...
Very simple like this.
Okay. It's okay. Huh?
Oh, bueno.
Ay, nagkahugan ako! Yay. Tuki-dugi, excited. Huy. Come on it.